This tutorial is for the DCDAR Welcome Home Lay. The specific part we're going to look at is the Adventurous Beginner. We're going to start by making a slip knot. Going to chain 4. In the 4th chain from the hook, 2, 3, we are going to do a half double crochet. Then we're going to do a second half double crochet in the same stitch. Now we're going to do the foundation stitch for the next cluster. So you start just like a regular half double crochet, then you go yarn over, go through 1, and that stitch right there is going to be your foundation for the next cluster. Yarn over through the rest. Now we're going to do a half double crochet in this foundation stitch, another half double crochet, now we're going to do a foundation stitch, yarn over through 1, yarn over through 3, and you continue doing that until you've reached approximately 35 inches. When you get done with that, we're going to add a second color. And we're going to do that. We're going to start again by making a slip knot. Then we're going to do a slip stitch in the first half double crochet. Chain 3. Then we're going to do a slip stitch in the next stitch, chain 3, and a slip stitch in the next stitch. And that's what gives us our nice little ruffly edge. Once you're all done, you're going to tie these ends together and you'll have a beautiful lay.